quite worn, so I would never need to test this just by, you can tell what it is by looking at the patina on it, but it should give us a nice gradual slide just like it did. Now this is that un peso 500 silver Mexican coin, and you're just going to get a lot faster slide on that one. If you've seen how that slid just at a more rapid rate, it tells us that it does have some silver content, but it's low content. Year of the Rat Chinese coin, I believe that's of no value. It's probably just a piece of brass. And when we tilt that, I tell you, it was a little slower than what I would like to see. But you know, a lot of times instead of setting my magnet on there like I've been showing you, is I start out like this. I get the angle that I want, then I set the magnet on it and let go. And of course it falls right down and right off. Now if I do the same thing with the eagle and I get the angle right first and set it on there, we get these slow sliding. So that's more representative of how I do it. This is a aluminum, which I don't know why anybody would want to test an aluminum coin, because it's pretty obvious what it is just by looking at it and by its weight. But we'll see what that does. I don't think there's any metal that has the characteristics that silver does in this regard, so we're probably going to get a very favorable result. We'll start out at the angle. Now you had a slide, so you just increased the angle. It wasn't a very powerful powerful attraction for sure. And there we've got the tumble. It did want to slide just because I was being nice and still with it, but my angle just wasn't quite enough. Now this is that old Spanish bronze coin. Not sure what that's going to do. These could look like a tarnished piece of silver to some, so if they're testing a bunch of foreign coins, they might want to know that and might want to test it. I would recommend that you buy a world coin book, but you know, those things are like $70 now, so you may not be able to afford a world coin book, but you know, ask for one for Christmas. Really nice, handy resource to have. And it would even be fine to buy an old used one, because the information that you want does not need to be timely. You're just wanting to look up the silver content of different foreign coins. And on that one, no hesitation on the bronze. Silvertown 10-ounce bars test. There we go. You've got your slide working quite nice. On this bar, you could actually stick it on the edge if you wanted to.